Come to this country, the government, see how they flip the script now, tell the kids, oh, they can do whatever they want. Their parents have no right to say anything to them, and if they do, you might as well call the police. And then the parents are charged with child abuse, etc., etc. But then all these Canadian kids, and I dare any mom and dad, just take me up on this one. Randomly just drug test your kids. I bet you 99.9% of your kids are all chemical heads. They're doing more E, more Molly, more Coke, more drugs than chemicals than you can think of, and popping pills, and drinking. And then you try to say, oh, marijuana is the gateway drug to all this bullshit. No. You people know exactly what you're doing. It's your system. You like to keep the people doped up, docile, so you can manage them, because if the people really knew the truth on what you people are doing, there would be a revolution. I'm telling you straight up. Now, I'll give you another example. See the food that we're eating? It's all genetically engineered. 1. 2. All the animals have growth hormones, steroids, all this stuff. The water we're drinking is poisoned. All the fruits and vegetables that we're eating has so many pesticides and chemicals on them. It's scary. And then they turn around and call us the bad guys, when all these companies that are making billions of dollars are slowly killing the masses. Okay? And nobody ain't going to jail for it, but don't worry. Bad boy, I'm going to tell you, say, my daddy I come. And so my daddy come, I'm going to have no blood clot friend in a guy. Telling you that. Because from my daddy draw the line in the sand and say, fetch, you know I'm coming for you, Babylon. And you will have to give an account. Because you see, the day of judgment, which you all telling the people ain't real and God ain't real. Well, if God ain't real, why do I, St. John, a.k.a. Yahya, John the Baptist, have in my possession the book, the Revelation? As it is written in the Gospels according to John, the book of Revelation, the letters from John,